Slipping rolling posture. You have heard the name of this posture a little. However, you must have done this posture in childhood. The body base is the backbone. This posture is very good for strengthening the spine. By doing the hinge slip posture, the spinal cord and the joint are more lighter and stronger than before. Law of slipping rolling posture. A. First, lie directly on the back of the bench. Now move both feet to the thoracic bend. Hold the fingers of both hands together and hold the legs tightly with the knees. This is the initial condition. B. Now touch the body side by side with the right side of the leg, rolling right and left, respectively. Do this practice 5 to 10 times. Keep breathing difficult during the whole exercise. C. Sit down while keeping the buttocks slightly above the ground. Hold the fingers of both hands together and hold the legs tightly under the knees. Roll the entire body back and forth on the spinal cord. Now try to come to the position of sitting on feet while rolling forward. Roll back and forth 5 to 10 times. Again, lie to do this posture. Turn both feet from knees. Now move the knees toward the chest and hold the feet close to the knees with your hands. Then breathe in and breathe forward and swing away. Breathe in. Now fill the breath, rolling backwards. Save the head while doing this asana. While doing this asana, try to be swinging forward and sitting on your feet. By doing this procedure, exercising of all the joints of the spine while rolling back and backward by the back of the back becomes exercise. Caution: while keeping this seat, give thick blanket to give more protection to the spine. Those who are already complaining of pain in the waist or back, they should avoid this posture. Benefits of posture. This posture routines massage the back, buttocks and caudias and reduces the back, waist, buttocks fat. In a young age, the person starts having diseases related to joints. The limbs hurt. Do not go too far or get too much up. The person remains young till then, until all his organs and joints remain unmanaged. People who do Janu Naman Asana do not have this problem. Profitable Janusharasana in sexual dysfunction. Janu is called knee. Janu Naman is said to fold and straighten the knees in order. Janu Naman falls under the operation of the body, subtle exercise. How to do this seat. First, lay a soft rim or blanket on the ground, then sit in the position of punishment, that is, spreading both legs in front and sitting. Keep a little difference between the legs. Keep the spine straight. Now fold the right foot knee and hold the thigh by making both hands finger scissors under the right thigh. Now straighten the foot holding the breath while filling the breath and feel the strain in the knee muscles while keeping the toes pulled outwards. Now do it with the right foot. Bend the right foot with knee and try to bring the thigh closer to the chest by the pressure of palms. At this stage, the breath will be completely exhausted and the foot will be tilted inwards. Caution: doing this will make your both hands straight. Keep in mind that the heel is slightly above the ground. In the blind race of modernity, today's society suffers from a wide variety of diseases due to the deformation of food, lifestyle, ethics and lifestyle. Especially he has become disturbed by indigestion, constipation, obesity, diarrhea and other stomach disorders. Yoga is the only solution for the diagnosis of all. Here is the perfect seat Uttanpadasana to put the stomach inside. Caution: do not practice this posture while pain in the waist and muscle spasms are there. Do not practice women during pregnancy. This posture can be done equally by men and women. 6-7-year-old boys and girls can also do this. It is very easy posture and is more profitable. The condition of doing this is that you do not have any serious diseases in the stomach and waist. If so, ask a yoga doctor. First method: let the mind lie on the ground by the back. Let both palms touch on the ground with thighs. Keep the knees, ankles and thumbs of both feet together and keep the legs tight. Now by breathing 2 feet while breathing, lift it slowly from the ground up to 1.5 feet, i.e. lift it up to 45-degree angle. Then keep the legs up for as long as possible to prevent breathing. Then gradually putting the feet down while breathing, put it on the ground very slowly and leave the body loose and breathe. Posture period. Practice the empty stomach as early as possible on this posture and in the evening. When you practice breathing from 1 minute to 2 to 3 minutes in the chest, then your posture will be proven. Its benefits. 1. Its practice removes stomachitis and thorax of the chest, the stiffness of the peta goes away. 2. Stomach muscles get bigger strength, which increases the height. 3. Taking it, the stomach can never grow bigger like pumpkin. 4. This seed improves digestion strength by strengthening stomach intestines in addition to removing obesity in the stomach. 5. Regular practice of this posture destroys gas and indigestion. 6. From old age the disease of old constipation is removed and it is very hungry. 7. Many stop-loss related stops are destroyed. 8. Navel center, which is the center of 72,000 nerves. Uttanpadasana is the best to fix it. 9. The navel division itself is cured by its practice. 10. If the umbilicus has been removed from the place, then the damaged dam has come to its right place after 5 minutes of Uttanpadasana. Second method, lie the mind on the ground by the back. Raising both hands above the waist and above the waist, about 1 foot above the ground by putting both hands on the buttocks. Only part of the waist on the ground. In this we weigh the entire body on the strength of the waist, the effect of which is good at the navel spot. Profit from this posture. 1. It is a panacea to remove obesity. 2. After the delivery of natural conditions after delivery, the stomach of PEDU can be overcome. 3. Doing this posture does not cause hernia disease. Those who have also been in the hormones, this disease removes this disease. 4. It removes panic, heartbeat, breathlessness, etc. Diseases are also removed. 5. Normally diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, torsion, bloody diarrhea, neuralgia, bowel growth, ascites, abdominal pain, constipation, lung disease etc. are very common. Mal plus asana means that when we take the stool, the state we sit in is malasana. This seat of sitting is very beneficial for stomach and back. There is another method of masculine, but here's the common law. Method. Letting both knees fall in the bowel movements. Then join the right arm's armpit on the left knee and left arm's armpits. In the above situation, after having some delay, come in normal condition. Benefit. The pain of the knees, joints, back and stomach disappears from her malazin, and her pain disappears. It also leads to constipation and gas diagnosis.